Uploading files to your plan items in Liquidplanner ensures that your team has the right details while keeping everyone aligned on the most important work. Files can be added to packages, projects, subfolders, and tasks. Within the panel for each of these items, there is a section just for organizing and uploading relevant documents. Any files that have already been added will be listed by name, size, upload date, and the name of the person who uploaded it. There is a section to drag and drop files to be uploaded, or you can browse to select them from your device. Once attached, files have options to be deleted or moved to other plan items. It is also possible to get a link directly to an uploaded file. Templates can be built out with uploaded files attached. When the template is used, the newly created work will come in with its own new copies of those files uploaded to the same locations. File counts can be added as a column in the portfolio view, and you're able to filter down to just items with files as well. These options are also available in the grid view, as well as within widgets on dashboards. Intake widgets on dashboards include an option that allows files to be uploaded with the projects or tasks they're creating. Adding important files in one location ensures your project team won't miss out on any key details. Want to learn more? Check out our Academy for additional lessons and content. See you next time.